girls who have played the Prahlad Chaitra, Hiranyakashipu, both. Today is the appearance day of Lord Nrsimha-dev. It is called Nrsimha-caturdaśī. So, I am so pleased that within such a short time, these boys have nicely learned how to play, and especially I have to thank Mr. Hiranyakashipu. Mr. Hiranyakashipu has played his part very nicely. So, this is very instructive. A struggle between the atheist and the theist. This story of Prahlad Maharaj is eternally true. There is always a struggle between the atheist and the theist. If a person becomes God conscious, Krishna conscious, so he will find many enemies, because the world is full of demons. What to speak of the devotee of Krishna? Even Krishna, when he personally came, he had to kill so many demons. There was his maternal uncle, his mother's brother, very keenly related. Still, he wanted to kill Krishna. As soon as any son was born to Devaki, immediately he killed, because he did not know who will be Krishna. The prediction was that the 8th child of his sister will kill Kansa. So he began to kill all the children. At last Krishna came, but he could not kill Krishna. He was killed by Krishna. So, nobody can kill God. The demons, godless society, they simply want to kill God. But actually, God is never killed, but the demon is killed by God. That is the law of nature. This is the instruction from Prahlad Maharaj's life. We can understand that as it is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, Mrityu sarva harascha aham. In the Bhagavad Gita it is said that I am also death, in the shape of taking away everything, whatever you possess. We are very much proud of possessing material things, material acquisitions. But when Krishna comes, just like Maharaj, Prahlad Maharaj saw, Hiranyakashipu, his father also saw, Nrsimha-dev. This Hiranyakashipu was very clever, as the materialist scientists are very clever. Cleverly they are inventing so many things. What is the idea? The idea is we shall live forever and enjoy sense gratification more and more. This is called atheistic advancement of civilization. The Hiranyakashipu was typical materialist. Hiranya means gold, and Kashipu means soft bed, cushion. The materialist person, they are very much fond of gold and enjoying sex. That is their business. The Hiranyakashipu is the typical example of this materialistic person, and Prahlad Maharaj Prakishtrupena allhada. Allhada means transcendental bliss. Ananda chinmaya rasa pratibhavitavi. Living entities, real identification is prahlada, blissfulness. But on account of material association, we are in miserable condition of life. So, stop these children. So this Hiranyakasipu wanted to become immortal, and he underwent penances, severe penances, so much so the whole universe became tremble. So that Brahma, Lord Brahma had to come to pacify him. What do you want? So he wanted to become immortal. Lord Brahma said that although I have got very long duration of life, the duration of life of Brahmaji is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, Sahasra Juga Pajyantam Arhajat Brahmano Vidu. Sahasra Juga, one group of Juga, Sattva, Treta, Dapur, Kali, it becomes about 43 lakhs of years. And multiply these 43 lakhs of years by 1000, that duration of time is Brahma's 12 hours one day. Sahasra Juga Pajyantam Arhajat Brahmano Vidu. So that Brahma, who lives for millions and trillions of years, still he has to die. Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi Dukkha Doshana Darsana. Wherever you go within this material world, either in the Brahma Loka or in the Patal Loka, you have to die. That is the problem. Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, real problem is Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi, birth, death, old age and disease. Just try to. So Hiranyakasipu wanted to solve this in a materialistic way. But that is not possible. So in a negative way, he wanted that I shall not die on the land, I shall not die in the air, I shall not die in the water, I shall not be killed by any man-made weapon. In so many ways, negatively he thought that he has become immortal. But Krishna is so intelligent that keeping all the words or the blessings given by Lord Brahma to Hiranyakasipu, he killed him. Just like Hiranyakasipu wanted that he would not be killed either at day or in night. So Hiranyakasipu was killed neither at day and neither in night, but just in the beginning of evening, which is neither day nor night. Then he wanted that he shall not be killed in the air, in the water, or in the land. So Hiranyakasipu was killed on the lap of the Lord. So he wanted that he would not be killed by any weapons made by man. So Lord killed him with his nails. Yes. Tabakara kamalabari nakha madbhuta singham dalita hiranyakasipu tanu bhringam kesavadhita narahari rupa jaya jagadisha hari. So we cannot cheat God. That is not possible. However scientifically we may be advanced, God is always more intelligent than ourselves. We should always remember. So that is the difference between demon and devotee. Devotee knows that God is great. I am his eternal servant. So he remains a humble servant of Krishna. Therefore he has no danger. Even if he has danger, he will be saved. Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Kaunteya pratijanihi name bhakta pranasati. Kaunteya pratijanihi, Arjuna, you can declare it all over the world, that anyone who has taken shelter at my lotus feet, become devotee, he will never be vanquished. Aham tva sarva pape bhamokkhayasami masucha. So these are the assurances. But the atheist class of men like Hiranyakashipu cannot understand this. That is the defect. They challenge always God. The dissension between the father and the son was that the son was believer in God, Krishna, and the father was not. So, at the end, the father saw what is God in the form of death. At that time he could not save him. So that is the difference between theist and atheist. The atheist always challenges, where is God? Can you show me? Well, you will see. Not now, but at the maturation of your all sinful activities. When death will come, you will see. This is going on.